Users. There are between 2.9 to 5.8 million unique users using cryptocurrency wallet, and majority is using to purchase Bitcoin. It has risen from 1 million in 2003 to 5.8 million users in 2017. So that's a 6 times increase within just 4 years. The number one reason users report to purchase Bitcoin is rising value with privacy features of Bitcoin. However, another reason is low fees, as merchants accepting Bitcoins offer to pay fees in range of 0 to 2%, whereas credit card processors charges 2 to 3%. And another great reason is if you are transferring money between borders, you can transfer it without any limitation and with low fees. Whereas if you're transferring money between like nations, you will have many more limitations and won't be able to transfer it easily. That's why the Chinese are buying it so that they can easily transfer the money to other countries, example the US. Thank you.